The Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi Hills District, under the Chief Minister's Digital Learning Aid (MTAB) scheme, today distributed MTABs to Class 11 students in West Khasi Hills District. Altogether, 1,467 students had registered themselves to avail MTABs in the district. Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Walang graced the occasion as the chief guest in the presence of District SP Bikram D. Marak and others. Speaking on the occasion, Gabriel Walang said that the idea would bring a bridge between the digital divide and empower students with the necessary tools for an enhanced learning experience.
And that is called self-motivation. This is very important in a school life. Don't need to motivate whenever you study. As competition, you can tablet motivate yalade and learn. Shirta chim jo piru motivate yalade. Bagi day bani nang yilum yali jingket
With the ongoing